Apple iPad. Just so you know that it's an Apple iPad. Yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my cat. And if you don't know what
Could you check in
don't
with
know
Jeff?
what a hairless cat is, well, I have a hairless cat. I'll show you.
See how the
Oh, hi, Hedda. What are you doing now? Oh, you're not okay, so you can have that. Okay. That's Wolfie, and why are you eating that, Wolfie? Why are you eating that? Oh, well. Look here. He's shy, I bet. Come here. That's not going to stop us today. Because we have butter.
Hello and welcome to Fox News at 9. I'm Shana Breen in Washington. Team coverage tonight. Buck Bear standing by with his top moments from the debate.
That's my cat. So, that means they're very
policy discussion on stage, and tonight, is not qualified to deal with whatever comes next with regard to